Hi guys, I'm Kara. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite avocado toast recipes. They're super simple and easy to make and great for lunch, brunch, breakfast, or even just a snack. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. For avocado toast number 1, we're going to need bread, avocado, eggs, chia seeds, and salsa. Start by cutting your avocado in half and scooping the insides into a bowl. Add a little salt, then mash your avocado. Layer on some avocado onto your toast. Now it's time to fry your egg. Place it on top when it's done. Add some salsa. And sprinkle on some chia seeds. For avocado toast number 2, you're going to need toast, walnuts, raspberries, avocado, and a raspberry hazelnut vinaigrette. Start by cutting your avocado in 2 and put the insides in a bowl. Mash your avocado with a fork and add a little bit of salt to taste and continue mashing. Layer your avocado onto your toast. Now add your raspberries. Add some walnuts. And drizzle some raspberry hazelnut vinaigrette. For avocado toast number 3, we'll need bread, avocado, olive oil, radishes, and a mixture of pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, and sunflower kernel. Start by spreading a layer of avocado on your toast. Then add your layer of radishes. Generously sprinkle on your seed mixture. And top it off with a drizzle of olive oil. I hope you enjoy!